How to pair voice remote control on Google TV. If you're experiencing issues with the voice command function on your remote control, follow these steps to pair the remote control to the TV again. Steps are illustrated using Google TV and may vary slightly depending on your model. Refer to the link in the description for related information. Press the home button on your remote control. Go to the menu at the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Remotes and Accessories. Select Remote Control. Select Connect via Bluetooth. Select Connect a new remote. To connect, press and hold down volume minus button on your remote control first. Then press the mic button for 3 seconds while holding down the volume minus button. When the activation is complete, a light on the remote control will blink. Note that pairing can fail if the battery level of the remote control is too low. If pairing failed, replace the batteries with new ones and try to pair again. Press OK to return to settings.